Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to create a custom call or text vibration pattern on an iPhone in iOS. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To create a custom vibration pattern on iPhone, open the Settings app first and scroll down and select Sound and Haptics from the list. Within here, look for the option called Sound and Vibration Patterns and then tap on the type of alert you want to make a vibration pattern for. We'll choose ringtone, but you can choose whichever you want, as the method is the same. On this page, tap on the top option called Vibration. Now choose Create New Vibration, and now you can record and create your own custom vibration pattern by tapping or holding on the screen. Once you're happy with the vibration pattern, remember to tap on Save before exiting. And so that is how to create a custom call or text vibration pattern on an iPhone in iOS. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your iPhone or iPad. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.